Here I have Panasonic Eluga i3 and let me show you how to perform here the hard reset by using the Panasonic settings. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen, choose apps icon. Then here you need to find and select the settings. From the list of settings, let's scroll down and choose here backup and reset. Select here factory data reset, and this will erase all data from your phone's internal storage, including your Google account, system and app data and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos and other user data. If you are aware of this, let's tap reset phone, and to begin the operation, let's choose erase everything, and the device is erasing all personal stuff from your phone's internal storage. Let's wait a couple of seconds until the operation will be completed. Basically, the whole process may take even longer, so let's just wait until the welcome panel pops up. Excellent, the welcome panel just pops up, so it means that the hard reset is done. Now you may start easily activate your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.